Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2010 Toyota Prius. This one has 135,000 miles on the clock, so relatively new. Somebody will say just broke in. And I want to show you why they are not good for off-roading. Do you see all these rips? When you have a choice, please don't do off-roading. This vehicle is very low and you will scrape the heck out of it, possibly do some damages, which will cost you a lot of money, and they are also dangerous. So look, these people they are living on the gravel road. They are not in the city. They are underneath big trees here around, and here you can see actually the modification I discussed yesterday, that some people, instead of opening this chunk of plastic anytime they do the oil change, some people will actually cut this off and leave it open, and mainly there's no problem with that. You can also see probably the oil leak from the tensioner, timing chain tensioner. Hopefully you see there. But back to our off-roading. So you see everything is scraped, rocks stuck. This part you can rip off, and it's a heater which has a coolant in it, so you don't want to damage that. That will be a problem. Very costly actually. I believe in the beginning when this was there, we were doing some recalls on that unit, but it's a long time ago. But also look here, high voltage cables, and they are routed here, and they try to cover it with this black cover. I saw this black covers missing, and actually this orange means high voltage, don't touch it. I saw these actually ripped off of that mount, and that creates actually potential very hazardous situation. Last but not least, look what will happen. You will get things stuck. There's a complete branch stuck in this suspension. Hopefully you can see that. So I think, despite the fact I saw once ad for like a year ago, Toyota showing some Prius on the snowy road in the woods, like they are great. It was four-wheel drive or something like that. I don't think Priuses are made for off-roading. You can see it right here. It's so low, everything gets stuck on it, ripped potentially. Of course, you don't want to ever damage this high voltage harness. That will be a possibly huge problem. And I just wanted to quickly share that with you. Hopefully you enjoyed that. It was something interesting from my shop. Please subscribe, I have way more coming soon. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, my friend.